This is roller derby, and that's Ariel Solomon, a 40-year-old married acupuncturist who used to be a runner. She's now Gemini, her team name, blocking for the socket wenches at Rat City Roller Girls in Seattle.
I knew someone who played roller derby, and initially I thought, oh, that's too hard, I'm going to get hurt, like there's no way I could ever do that. But the more I thought about it, I decided to give it a shot.
Injuries are part of the game, and that's why Reshmi Bahadur is so important to keeping the team healthy. The former science teacher may be the only certified athletic trainer for roller derby in the U.S., maybe even the world.
We did different types of dynamic warm-ups, stretches. We would do agility drills, actual strength training exercises.
I guess the competitive part of me takes over, and I'm not so much worried about getting injured. I'm just worried about doing what I need to do to be successful in playing the game.
Bouts can last more than an hour, but injuries are as likely to happen during practice as in a game, which is why Gemini likes to joke she's usually covered in tape.
Reshmi is currently taping my fibula into place to kind of help stabilize that.
Some weeks we have nothing going on, everyone's doing really well, just the little things here and there. And then, this week we end up with, 5 to 6 major injuries, 3 of them being concussions.
For Gemini, worries about injuries are less with Reshmi standing by. But even if she does get hurt, it's worth it, she says, just to be part of the Rat City Roller Derby community.
I do love it.
From the UW Medicine newsroom in Seattle, this is Megan Clark.